Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about this oil leak that I just fixed. This is a 2011 Chevy Cruze, and from my research, these are pretty known for this leak here. Let me show what I'm talking about. All right, this piece here comes off the turbo. It's an oil line to the going from the turbo to the cooler. And it's very simple to change out. This one that I put in came from AutoZone. Purchase price was like $40 something. But I'm gonna show y'all what you have to do to take it out, to change it out. All right, you're gonna have this heat shield right here, but simply you have these screws here, 3 of these on the heat shield, one here, and one down here. You just take them off, and that takes a size, one of these, a E10. You get these at AutoZone. You can buy it by the pack just like that, so. And to take this off, this piece here, you're going to need this one here, the TRAX T45, and it fits right in there like so, like that. And it's pretty simple, like I said, but the one from AutoZone, it has a little different setup. It still has the Torx there. You have to take that off and take this off, and basically you can just wiggle it out like so. It go in like this and just, maneuver it out. It's very easy to do. A very simple fix. These are notorious for leaking there, and that's where one of my leaks were coming from. I wiped it off, sprayed it off. Turbo sounded much better. Make sure you use the proper oil and keep your oil clean to give your turbo longevity. And I also have another leak down here, which is coming from the transmission lines here. So I'll be doing a video about that soon. I just wanted to show y'all a very easy fix. So when you see oil everywhere, or you smell oil in the car after driving it or while driving it, make sure you check this out. Very simple fix. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.